So here's the LED kit for the license plates. We're gonna go ahead and check it out. So this is like the sizes. I wanted white, and then that's the actual size of the bulb. Everything looks pretty clean. You can see how small they are. Let's go ahead and test it out. To change out the light, you just sneak underneath here, come all the way up, and you can see it's right here. But the hard part is sticking your hand in there. You got to twist it counterclockwise. And then slide it out. There's the bulb. There's the old bulb. This part is the top where the LED is, and then this is the bottom. Just want to slide it in like this. Push it in a little bit until you feel it kind of stop. Don't want to shove it in there. Just make sure it's in there nice and good. Looks pretty solid. Then you want to bring it back up there. See how it slides into place. Then you need to twist it clockwise. Go ahead and give it a little pull. Looks pretty good there. Let's turn those lights on. Looking pretty good. That looks a lot nicer. Alright, so we have the LED bulb on this side of the license plate, and then we have just the stock regular bulb. And you can see that the LED even goes all the way up and starts to light the Tacoma sign, which looks pretty good. What I also like is how it accents with the bed lights. Looks really good.